Hi, welcome in. I'm Nina, I'm an illustrator and comic artist, and welcome to my channel. So let's start drawing. If you're not used to my color code, I use red for a basic sketch, and then blue for the pencil art, and black for inking. We'll probably use blue and red the most. Last time we did the head facing front, but most of the times our drawings won't be facing front. Like, people don't look like always like straight to the front. So we have to learn how to turn our head to one side and to the other side. So today we're gonna turn the head left and right. Again, we begin with the circle. As I said before, don't waste too long trying to make a perfect circle. It's not gonna happen. You just have to look even, it's enough. When we did the face, like facing front, we made a straight long line, cutting the circle in half. We are now gonna bend that line to the side, which means this line is not actually straight. It looked straight before, but it's not really straight. Now that we have the base sketch, let's go and make the shape of the head. So you have the forehead here, you make a little curve, and the cheeks and the chin, and then you come back and make the jawline. We can also add the neck here, and we use this line to place the nose. Now we make our eye line. It's also going to be a little curved, and we'll place our eyes on them. Remember what I said previously, that the eyebrows follow the nose line. You do have the nose line here. You don't usually draw them. In some styles you don't draw the line all the way up, but it follows the nose line. And eyebrows are a little bit larger than the eye. This works for every style. You don't have to follow my style. You can draw the way you want. You just have to follow the base shapes, the sketch, just the general rules to get the image correctly. Just like we did before, we're gonna use the same line to do the ear. We go up and down and we follow the nose. So our ear and like around the bottom of the nose. You don't really have to detail all the elements. We're gonna have more videos just to talk about each element of the face anytime soon. We need the mouth now. It's very good to have a mouth. When we drew like the other face, we did like half of the line and symmetric to both sides, but here we can't be symmetric because it's looking to the side. So you do have a part of the mouth that is kind of bigger because you see it more, and one that is shorter because now you see less of it. And remember to leave room for your chin. Just like some people forget the forehead, some people also forget the chin. Let's draw all the head here so we can place our hair on the top of it. After we have this base pencil art, let's get rid of the sketch. You know, a lot of lines on your drawing may get you confused, may make you cause a mistake. We don't need them anymore. Let's just delete them. The guideline we need right now is the hairline. We are leaving room for the forehead. Remember, you have hair in front of your ear here. I have a specific video for the hair, so you can check on it if you want. It's somewhere in my tutorial playlist. I'm gonna make a random hair here. I'm following this line for the hair roots. And I'm giving her a nice ponytail. Ta-da! We do have our head looking to one side. Now let's do it again, looking to the other side. Remember to always practice everything to both sides, so you don't get like comfortable with only one side, and then when you have to do the other side, you just can't. You know, it happens to some artists. You get used to do like everything to one side, and then suddenly you realize you don't do to the other side just because you're not used to. So again, begin with the circle. This circle is a little bit weird here, so let's fix it. Okay, looking better now. Let's make the curved line. Okay, good. It kind of begins and ends evenly. Okay, good. Let's make a forehead, cheeks, and chin. Cheeks are weird. Excellent. It was too cheeky. Okay, we do have the shape of a face. Now let's place the nose. Again, we use this line. And we place the nose very close to the bottom of the circle. And let's do the eye line. Neck here. And placing our eyes. If you prefer using two lines to make your eyes, it's okay too. It's not a rule that you have to use only one, but then it kind of changes like the way you place your ear. Just keep that in mind. Okay, now this one will be facing to the outer. Again, ear comes up and down, and nose line. Now let's do the mouth. Shorter here, larger on the side. You have more vision now. Now let's give this person short hair, but first we don't need this anymore. Oh, we need the head. Let's give this person full head. Okay, probably delete this later too, but just for the sake of measurement. Now hairline, forehead. Now let's draw short hair. For short hair, I think I'm going with a very basic style. We also don't need the hairline anymore. And ta-da, we have faces looking both sides. Okay, these ones are just samples. I'm gonna show you some finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Also, I want to see what you come up with. Show us your art. Join our Discord channel and send your drawings there. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. I'll be answering the comments. Also, if you have suggestions for other tutorials you want me to do, just leave in the comments and I'll check on it, okay? Thanks for watching. Till next.